All right, so we are live. Okay,
Hi
good
everyone.
morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in this part of the world. Mabuhay sa inyong lahat, mga kapwa ko Pilipino. Ako si Lay Mula and I am the owner of this business page and you are here in Defining Moment with Lay at ito ang aking live segment. Not just with me, I'm also with my business partner, Sister Donna. And this is a journey. We interview successful entrepreneur so that we learn about their journey as a digital business owner. Okay, so a little bit about myself. Ako si Lane Mula, isa akong nurse dito sa UK and I've been here from 2001 and I am a mother of four and I am a single mom of four and doing this digital business. So, okay, without further delay, I would like to also thank my co-host ngayon, si Sister Donna. So she will introduce
Hi.
a little bit about herself. So, Sister Dawn.
Oh, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. My name is Donna. I'm a nurse. I'm living in California. I'm an immigrant. I'm also like Lay. I'm also a nurse. I've been living in California for for over 20 years. I love what I do, and at the same time, I also have some other dreams that I wanna chase on the side. And I'm fortunate that I was able to find this business, and I've been in this business for over a year, and it has been um, a great journey. Met a lot of people and connected with with a lot of business owners like me, say busy mothers around the world. And um, yes, thank you, Lay, for inviting me to be
Okay, you're
your
very
host.
welcome. Thank you for having that, for sparing your time. Anyway, so without further delay, so this is, we have a special guest all the way from Canada, and I will leave all the introduction to our very special guest. So welcome, welcome to my our live stream. And here is, let's put her on the screen. Hello, Sister Beverly.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello. Well, it's nice to know that both of you are nurses as well. I was like thinking, but I was surprised that both of you are nurses and we're coming from different parts of the world. So, hello, 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 everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all our viewers out there. To those people who are going to watch this on live and by replay. Just a little something about myself. My name is Beverly, and I'm actually originally from Tacloban City, Philippines. So shout out to all Warainons out there. Kumusta ka mo dida? And now we are currently living here in Ontario, Canada. So I'm a mom. I'm a mom of actually four young kids, and I'm also surprised that Sis Lay is also a mom of four. So I'm very happy to know that a lot of people are really doing this on the side, even how much we are busy with our mom duties, right? So yeah,
Yes.
I'm also a registered nurse by profession, and I've been doing this business for almost 3 years now.
Okay. Right. Lovely. Lovely to hear that, Sister Beverly. Okay, so I would leave it to Sister Donna para siya ang mag-ask ng first question because, very important ito. Yes? The floor is yours, Sis Dawn.
Okay, so 3 years in the business, and a lot of people want to know what is your why
Mhm.
of why you started this business.
All right. Actually, our why from starting the business up to this moment that I'm already almost 3 years, it changes according to our journey. But then, when I started this business, it was during the height of pandemic on the year
Mhm.
2020. So I was in maternity leave. Actually it was on the ninth month of my maternity leave. My With my daughter, so she's already 3 years old now. So before giving birth, my original plan was really to go back to work and like around after 3 months of giving birth, but it didn't happen because I was so afraid as a healthcare worker. I was so afraid to go back to work, having very young kids. I have a baby at that time, and my twin boys were 5 years old at that time. So I was really worried, more than worried than afraid, to really bring the bag home and having sick kids at home. So I used to work as a visiting nurse, and during that time there was no vaccination yet. There was less protective gears for people working in the home care setting,
Mm.
compared to the people who are working in the hospital. So that was my challenge. So I made the very difficult or the toughest decision to really just stay home lang muna, stay home for a while until this pandemic will be over. I chose to protect my very young kids. But of course, having this single income coming to our household from my husband's job, it was really difficult. We were living in a very tight budget. We were prepared. We were
Mm.
prepared before my mat leave. We have our savings in the bank, but we were not prepared of that this pandemic would be a very yung matagal siya, and then it would
Yeah.
drain up our savings, slowly draining our savings. So this is actually a life's lesson given to us that no matter how much savings we have in the bank, if we don't have a plan B, or like another source of income stream, like multiple income stream coming into our household, once something happens, mauubos din ang savings, and it's not enough. So that's my biggest why I decided to really look something online. I was really desperate to look something online to help my husband supplement our growing needs, because we are already a growing family of five at that time. And then we all know, living here in abroad, the inflation and all, it's very expensive, right? So one income stream only is not sufficient enough for us to really enjoy life. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now you mentioned about the pandemic. We were all working at the hospital. Now you remind me of how stressful it was. Yes, at that time, no vaccine, and it was sad because a lot of people were just dropping like flies. My goodness,
Right.
right now it's just giving me goosebumps. And thank you for sharing that part of your journey. And yeah, and with us all nurses, it just shows how resilient we are. And with you, we're just so happy that that you found this, and it was able to help your family tremendously. Thank you for sharing that.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Right. So we go now to our second um, question. So let's just. Okay. So I'll be the one to ask you that question, Sister Beverly. So how is your journey so far? Somehow you've tackled a bit of this, no? But it has this digital business serve your why?
Oh, okay. So, my journey so far, it's been a beautiful journey. I'd say it's beautiful in a sense that I have already learned how to really fully embrace the roadblocks that I have experienced along my journey. So, it's not always a bed of roses of starting an online business or any businesses out there. So, but then I've learned how to be grateful of everything because it's part of my journey. So considering that I'm not a tech savvy, I have no formal business experience or background, but because of my willingness to learn, my consistency, and then of course being determined, I am getting great results in this business. And if you to answer your question regarding if this business have served my wife, of course, 100%, 100% it served my wife because actually 10 months into running into this business, I mean starting this business, I was able to quit my nursing job, and I'm consistently earning more than my nursing salary. And of course, the beautiful part there is that I am staying home with my kids. I'm watching them grow. I'm raising them by raising my very own kids. So that's the huge part, really.
Okay, so yeah, thank you for sharing that. And I'm sure because you've been in the business for 3 years now, And the community has started long way before that.
Yes.
And at the same time, how I wish I have started and I have seen this business, years ago when it just started. But
Mm.
anyway, it's never too late, and I'm sure your why and has been served for quite some time. Anyway, all right. So before we head on to the third question, let's just
Okay.
see, because we have 700,000 followers. I mean, watching us right now. So let's see. Okay, so we have um. Okay. Hi, Sis Dawn from Ireland.
Oh, hi,
Thank you for
Donna.
Hello, Sis
watching.
Donna.
She says, "Hello, ladies. Awesome nursepreneurs are entrepreneurs." Yes, indeed. Thank you for watching. And we also have Annabelle. Hi, Sis Belle, also from Ireland. Saying hello,
Hello.
ladies. Thank you. And yeah, okay. So let's go back to our third question, and it's going to be Sis Donna
Oh,
to
yes.
um,
And
ask you
we
the
are
question.
curious because, there's a lot of, other jobs out there, other opportunities. And we want to know what are the three things that attract to this digital business platform.
Oh, okay. So there's actually a lot of things that I really like or have attracted me into this business platform. But then, just to sum it with just the three main things. The very first one, I think the main one that I was really looking even way before I was searching online for something that would provide me some flexibility. So this is the one. So I found this business that have provided me, that have allowed me actually to have this flexibility, that I can work or manage my business according to my family schedule. Because I have very young kids, I really needed that I can control my own time in doing this business. And the second one is, of course, the automation. Who doesn't love automation, right? So
Yeah.
it just simply runs in the background no matter how busy we are. So we don't also need to be as for us, we are busy moms, and you are still working. So even how much we have a lot of things in our plate, the business, we don't need to actually be in the screen 24/7. So that's a huge part for all of us here, that we can have this business on the side and it would not eat more of our time. So yeah.
Yes.
And then lastly is that I think what I really love also is that the huge support of coming from our fast growing community. So this community that we've been having here, I've never felt alone in my journey, really, because I have this huge community support. I have never felt that I am in competition with anybody else in our business community, because we are cheering for each other. We are happy to see other business owners succeed. And I think it's because the founder of this community also instilled the values that we have learned in this business, which are having the integrity and being servant leaders, that we are ready to really give back to the community for whatever we have learned, and never expecting something in return. So I think that is the secret one that we have here, why a lot of thousands of people from our community, with different kind of backgrounds, are really successful in this business. So those are my three main um, things that I love in this business.
Oh, yeah, that's amazing. Even with me, I can attest because
Mhm.
since I started this business, I have some questions. My business partners are just, one messenger away.
Yes,
I
that's
can
correct.
always, ask, questions, and there's always some answers. And
Mhm.
sometimes you just don't know what to, okay, honestly, what to post. And we said, okay, any suggestions? And there's always, you're there. You're not alone. Um, you started this business for yourself, but you're not by
Yes,
yourself, which is very
100%.
amazing. Yeah. And also, um, we just need to go on with the fourth question. What can you advise to those parents or even busy professionals who are looking for an online business opportunity yet feeling skeptical and hesitating?
Okay, so actually being skeptical, I think, is very normal, especially nowadays that there's scams everywhere, right? Especially in the
Yes.
online space. Yeah, it's difficult to really pinpoint which is real or not real, but for us here, absolutely, we are legitimate because we are nurses, right? And we pay taxes yearly as well. So we, as healthcare professionals, also we have this license that we shouldn't be involved in any fraudulent activities. So you are
Yes.
100% sure here that
Absolutely.
this is legitimate. I was also skeptical before I actually started this business before, but
Hmm.
that didn't stop me from wanting to learn more because my why actually was really bigger than my fears. So most of the time we are skeptical. I think it's because we have lack of information or facts about something that is presented that is something new to us, right? So I
Yes.
encourage all the hardworking parents or the hardworking healthcare individuals out there. If you're looking something to do online, I encourage you all to do your own diligence. Try to take the first step by watching our complimentary info session. It's
Yes.
for free, so you have to learn the basics first. So it's like we are. This is something new to us, so we have to learn like start from step one. So we learn the basics and we decide from there if this is something that we want to do, right? And if it's unclear to us, it's a huge thing if you can reach out to the person or to the business owner who actually shared this opportunity to you to ask question right from there. So
Yes.
if you plan to take the next step, which is paying a one time small fee, it's actually 100% risk free as well because we offer a 30-day money back guarantee. So see everything firsthand and create an informed decision if this business is a good fit for you or not. So there's really nothing to lose, but more to gain.
Oh yes, absolutely. Same thing with me. The first time I saw this business through, through a friend, I
Mhm.
was really skeptical. It's like having that employee mindset.
True.
No, I don't want to do that. You just get stressed. No, no, no. And then, finally, I had the guts to, to ask her, okay, what's going on? And I did the same thing. I signed up. I watched the, the complimentary webinar,
Mhm.
and I was, right from there, I was really, I was, I said, okay, I paid the, the small fee. And that's when I saw how this business has changed, the lives of ordinary people like us, busy
True.
parents, and it's really amazing. And I'm glad I'm in this community. And thank you for sharing that.
All right.
Okay.
Lovely.
And,
Um,
um, all right, Sisley, you
sorry,
have,
sorry about these technical issues going on. Not a
Okay.
technical savvy, but learning, this digital business has, somehow taught me how to deal with little technical issues. Anyway, so, but I'm still kind of, with echo, so sorry about that. Okay, so, we are done with the three main things. We're now on number four.
no, I
Um,
already asked the question number four.
yes, lovely. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Okay, so the number four question is,
Oh, yeah, I'm
now,
done. That was asked.
that was asked already.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Right, so let's go to
I
the,
know. While you were, doing the technical, issues in the background,
all
maybe
right.
you can just,
While,
say hi because there
while
are,
I was dealing with the technical issues.
okay. Oh, by the
All
way,
right, so
I
let's
think there are
just
a few more
look
people
at,
who tuned in.
right,
You want to say
so
hi to them?
some comments. Right. From again from Sister Donna from Ireland. So very inspiring business story, Beverly. Being present to your kids and at the same time earning lucrative income is just awesome. Yeah.
Thank you so
And
much.
then we also have okay, Miss Asalam or Alikum. All right. Oh yes,
Oh,
yeah.
that's
Thank you.
like
God bless
hello.
you too. From
Assalamualaikum.
Zonsky. Yeah, thank you for following. Share our website to your friends, family, whoever whom you think would like to start a digital business. And once again, we have Sis Dinah from Ireland as well. Thank you
Hello,
for
Sister Anna.
watching. And yes, this is also one thing which is good. Flexibility of time and automated system in business and work smarter. And one more, yes, integrity indeed. And one more, that's so true, legit and with credibility. Okay,
Yes.
yeah, sorry about that. But anyway, thank you so much, for sharing all that. Because me, as I said, I am not a tech savvy. My children would sometimes, tell me off, well, in a way, gets frustrated. Mommy, why are you not learning this? But I said, I was born in the year we're in, I will never be a tech savvy. But the system has somehow, taught me how to be.
Yes,
Um, yeah.
it's a
Um,
learning process, right? That's the
Yes.
greatest
yeah.
part of this business. Everyone, we can learn from even the slightest thing that we don't know before. We didn't imagine we can do it right now.
Oh, yes,
I know.
absolutely. Okay, Beverly,
Yeah.
do you have any last words for, for everyone, for all
Okay,
the
sure. So,
viewers?
yes, thank you so much, Sis Lay, Sis Donna, for having me here. It's been a pleasure to be with you, having this interview. So, for anyone out there who is watching this, like for live, yeah, on our live session or by replay, if you have this burning desire to really have the change that you've been wanting from your current situation right now in living paycheck to paycheck, I encourage you, or if any one of you is just been wishing to have more quality time with your family, more quality time for your friends, something like that, or be more time for yourself. So I encourage you. Maybe this might be an answered prayer for you. So try checking this out. Your very first step only is try to connect with any one of us here for Sis Donna or Sis Day, um, and then we can give you your access link to watch the complimentary webinar that I mentioned a while ago. So instead of watching Netflix, save that one movie to this investing something of your very precious time to look at something. Check this out. If this would actually it might change your life as well. So it's changed thousands of lives in our community already. So remember, nothing really changes in life if we keep doing the same thing all over again. So
Yes.
if a busy mom like us, Sis Lay is a busy mom of four as well. I'm a busy mom of four. Sis Donna is also a mom. So if we can do this, for sure you can do this as well. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. Can I also add that it doesn't matter if, or it does matter one or two or more children you've got, it's the same effort that you put in.
Yes.
And as I was saying, I miss my children being little. I really, really do. Because when I had my one child until they became four, all the time I would do lots and lots of night shifts because of the enhancement and all that. But
Yes.
I missed out so much. That
Mhm.
is actually, my greatest regret. So, this is an opportunity for all of you, mothers, single mom, single dad, parents, ordinary, anyone, whatever is your background. This is something that you should look at, that you should check on. It's because, it's a life changing opportunity we are sharing to all of you. So, yeah,
Yes.
don't miss out on your children and on their milestone. Sister Donna?
Oh yeah, and all the busy moms out there, if you wanna, earn something on the side while taking care of your cute babies, just sign up. Connect to any of us if you were able to resonate with, with Lay. If you resonated with me or with Beverly, you can contact any of us and sign up on our website. Yeah,
Lovely.
there's nothing to lose, and we're all here to help you, and you're going to be included in this amazing community.
Lovely. Thank you so much, Sister Donna, for your time,
Yeah,
for
thank you,
co-hosting. If
ladies.
not for you, it's gonna be a disaster with the technical issue going on.
Yeah,
So yeah, you're a lifesaver.
you're
And
most welcome.
Sister Beverly, thank you, thank you. You're a busy mom of young 4 young children. Oh my goodness. So, thank you for sparing your
You're
very
welcome.
precious time.
Yes, and Beverly is the perfect example of this business that you can it's that will work according to your schedule.
Yes.
Yes,
Correct.
Yeah.
ultimate mompreneur.
Yes.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you for following, for watching. If ever you're watching the replay, if you have any questions, any comments or any queries, please type down on the comment section below and so that we can answer it. Sa aming mga kababayan, sa mga magulang, we have our website. Please check on it because it's an opportunity for all of you. We are sharing. Thank you, thank you. God bless you all.
Bye. Take
Bye.
care. Bye.